Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Kashif Shazad and you're watching IELTS with Kashif. As you know that we keep bringing many students to the interview seat so that we can conduct their interview for their practice and for quality content on for our channel. This is Kashif Shazad from the platform of Barfal Educational Services Gujarat, Al Jannat Center, Karipura Road. Miss Iman, how are you?
I am fine. What's
And
about you?
yes, I'm fine, Alhamdulillah. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Iman. I am from Gujarat and I was a student of FSC. Now I am learning IELTS with Sir Kashif in Barful Academy.
And how did you find that academy? The environment, the peace, and the interference?
I think my aunt give you the. I think my aunt give us the information about this academy and she see the academy of going the from here.
Tell me something about your education.
My education is only matric. I completed my matric in 2025, and after matric, I take admission in Fatma Juna College. But during study, I skip my study.
And what do you do in your free time?
In my free time, sometimes I help my mom and using mobile, and sometimes I play games with my siblings and other friends.
And what type of weather do you like?
I like winter
And why?
because winter is a very peaceful weather and I like to wear layers of clothes and
All right. Do you go for shopping?
yes, I go for shopping. I
And
love
who do you
shopping.
go with, or do you go alone?
I go with my mother and sister.
All right. And do you cook food?
No, I don't know.
What is your favorite food then?
My favorite food is biryani with raita.
Can you tell me something about your favorite restaurant?
In Gujarat, my favorite restaurant is Spice Orchard because because their food is very delicious and the behavior of the servant is also good
Mhm.
and their environment is peaceful and
All right. And why are you studying IELTS here?
because I want to go UK of my husband and I got married and spouse visa. IELTS is very important for spouse visa because it is the important part of documents.
Do you think your IELTS preparation is complete now?
Um, I think it's complete, but sometimes I feel non-confidence of speaking English.
Have you talked to the girl who just cleared her test from the center? How did you, and did it give you some confidence about your test?
Yes, she gives confidence me, and I am very confident with her because she's become my friend, and we do our IELTS practice very better. And now she's go.
Okay, I'm going to give you a topic on which you'll speak for at least 1 minute.
Okay.
One thing I would like to mention that she is not actually an IELTS academic or general student. She's an IELTS A1 student, and she's been preparing here for like maybe 1.5 months or
Yes.
2 months, and she's actually IELTS A1 student, and she's not going to go through the Q card thing. But this is a practice interview, and I have also given her many topics on which she was supposed to speak 1 minute. So this is a practice, and I'm going to give you a topic. You'll speak 1 minute at least on it. Can you tell me about a gift you gave to someone or you received from someone? You'll have to tell me that what gift was it, who did you give it to, and what was so special about that person, and do you think giving gifts creates something between relations? So these are the hint questions. If you want to write something, your hints you can write down, or you want to start speaking, you can start speaking on that topic.
Right.
Yes, you have some 1 minute to think about it, then you can speak on it. This is an IELTS practice interview, and we keep conducting different interviews. I always try that if there is someone with confidence and with some English, I should take him or her in front of camera, so that increases the confidence of the students. He is not actually going for the IELTS interview, but again, this will increase her confidence to speak in front of camera and record it, because that gives you a different feeling when you think you are being recorded and you are delivering something uh, under observation, under watching someone. Although someone is not watching right now, but there is a pressure always in front of camera that someone is watching me, and this pressure I want to eliminate. This confidence I want to build in students. So I always try to get them in front of camera, either it's a female or it's a male. All right, Miss Aman, have you written the hits? Shall we
Yes.
start? A
Yes.
gift you gave or you received from someone.
Okay. A gift is a thing that we gave someone and someone gave us, and gift is it is attracted to the people, and it is the cause of happiness and enjoyment. Once my friend, school friend, gave me a gift of my birthday. The gift was a perfume, a watch, and some jewelry. It was very beautiful gift, and it is very attractive. She gave me, and I was very happy to see the gift because in my life, so once time someone gift me, and it was very memorable moment, and we were enjoy our birthday, and some other friends also gave me gift, but once I give my friend gift only once time, and the gift was a ring. The ring was very beautiful and attractive. She was very happy to see the gift because because I give the gift, and it's my lifetime first experience because I don't give the gift anyone, and in her wedding and other functions, and
All right, I'll ask you general questions about the topic now. Is there any tradition in your family to exchange gifts among relatives?
in our family, I think there is no tradition to give the gift to other person. But in weddings, we give the gifts of our cousins, sisters, and
What do you think? Is it beneficial, or this tradition should be finished or vanished?
I think it is beneficial. We give the gift to someone to see their happiness on her his
Does
face.
it really matter that gift is expensive or gift is cheap?
No, it is not expensive. Gift is gift. It is not expensive or cheap.
Have you ever gifted the gift you received from someone and you gifted it to someone else in your life? Maybe sometimes it happens.
In my life, someone give me gift. It is not more expensive.
Mhm.
It is cheap. General things.
All right. Anything about the gift you want to say something? How many gifts you received in your life?
In my life, I received only two gifts. Once in my wedding and once in my birthday.
And that really shows that how less tradition is in your family to exchange gifts. This is not about your family. This is all happens in here around our family. Ladies and gentlemen, this was a practice interview, and I do not say that like it was like 7 band or 6.5 band. It was a normal practice interview, um, just to build her confidence, just to boost her confidence in front of camera. And hopefully you understand the format, that the part 1 we ask introductory question, in the part 2 there is a topic you need to speak on that, maybe 1 minute, 1.5 minute, and in the third part the general questions are asked about the topic. And IELTS with Kashif pe itna hi, inshallah. Next time will come with the next video. Keep watching, and do comment and share the video if you like it. Thank you very much.